Hey everyone, it's Mindy Kerr, and we want to welcome you to our Mount Dora studio. In our studio, we have makeup services, we have hair services, jewelry, wardrobe consultation, refreshments, a comfortable, fun atmosphere for you to come and just be yourself. Make sure that you follow us on Instagram at mindykerrphotography.com, like our Facebook page, visit our website, sign up for our newsletter, and always give us a call anytime at 352-720-3572. We're located at 411 North Donnelly Street, Suite 300 in the Renaissance Building in beautiful downtown Mount Dora.